Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Octopus Works Science channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we will use editing techniques such as copying, deleting, specifying surface, cutting, and punching to create chessboards and chess pieces. And we'll also compare the differences between physical mode and translucent mode. Whether you're a novice or a veteran looking to solidify your basic skills, this video will provide you with concrete instructions. Let's get started. Now, let's launch the 3D slicing software together and load our hand-picked European chessboard model. When you open the software, you will see an intuitive and easy-to-understand operation panel. Although there are many functions, don't worry, we will guide you through the whole process step by step. Before that, we have to choose to manage the printer and the accompanying resin. In the Software Settings menu, select your 3D printer model and set the type of resin used. This step is very important because different resins may require different printing parameters so that you can ensure print quality. Immediately after that, we need to scale the model to the right size. This is to make sure that the board and pieces will fit perfectly on the printer. After setting the parameters, let's perform the copy operation. Select the chess pieces you want to increase the number of. Click on the copy tool and enter the quantity you want to copy. Look, we have successfully added 4 groups of chess pieces. This operation is very convenient, especially for batch production of identical pieces. Of course, it is inevitable that there will be some mistakes during the operation. For example, if you accidentally copy an extra piece, just select it and click Delete function to help you remove unwanted objects easily. Next up is the Auto Layout feature, perfect for projects like chessboards. You can select all the pieces and then use Auto Layout to arrange them evenly. This way each piece is automatically distributed in the most appropriate grid on the board. You can then position the laid out model to the appropriate location with the help of the Move and Rotate tools. Let's appreciate the beauty of Auto Layout. This is a boon for projects that require precise alignment. What do you do when you are done arranging the pieces and want to make sure that the height of the pieces is up to par? I think this is where you can use the measurement function. Simply select a piece, choose where you want to measure it, and use the measurement tool to get an accurate message. Don't underestimate it, it's very important to ensure printing accuracy. Next, let's talk about the Specify Surface feature. If you want one side of the board to be smoother, you can specify it as the top surface in the slice settings. This way, the slicing software will automatically optimize the print on that side to ensure that it is flatter and more aesthetically pleasing. Let's take a look at the cut function. If the existing 3D printer build volume is not enough to complete the entire board at once, we can use the cutting function to split the board into several parts and print them separately, and then finally put these parts together to realize the complete work. Next, let's focus on another very useful feature, Punch. Selecting a punching tool. Select the model to be punched and adjust the position of the bottom of the piece to ensure that the notch is in the best position. Then adjust the radius and depth of the cavity. Finally, with a simple press, a perfectly matched notch appears on the bottom of the chess piece. This not only improves the adsorption between the chess pieces and the board, but also makes the whole chess set look more exquisite and professional. Finally, let's explore the highly creative skeletonizing feature. Import the model to create our unique logo. Position the logo model where we want it by using basic operations such as scaling, rotating, moving, etc. Adjust the parameters of the skeleton to ensure the stability of the model structure and reduce material waste. This feature not only makes the board look better, but also gives it a unique meaning and value. I believe you can see that the upper left corner of the screen has been switching back and forth between solid mode and translucent mode during the whole production process. If you found these tips helpful, try your hand at making a European chessboard yourself. That's it for today's tutorial, hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. See you in the next installment. Remember to subscribe and light up the little bells and whistles for great content not to be missed.